Data-driven decision-making is at the heart of so much in the world right now. We're making decisions not just for us now, but for future generations as well.
The connection to data science is becoming more and more important to the work. The work has been going on for the last 25 years.
So what really drives us at WIDZ is that we want diversity at the decision table here. And women absolutely need to be there.
To me, a healthy data science community is one that embraces diversity.
We started WIDZ with a conference at Stanford University in 2015 with 3 main goals that haven't really changed. First, to inspire women to join or stay in the field of data science. Second, to educate everyone by highlighting fantastic women and their technical work. And third, to support women around the world.
And wow, did we hit a nerve we didn't even know existed. Fast forward to 2022, and we have 200 regional events worldwide in more than 60 countries. And it just keeps growing year after year.
Last year, we were with all of you virtually. We had a 24-hour around-the-world event, which was very exciting. And so despite the pandemic, we got together and we created this global community. We had speakers from over 25 different countries, and it was wonderful.
And one silver lining in an otherwise tough year in 2021 is that attendees to WIDZ regional events could be from anywhere in the world. We also saw really interesting collaborations, WIDZ ambassadors coming together to host events in Africa, Saudi Arabia, Colombia, and Central and Eastern Europe.
One of the things I really love about WIDZ is hosting the WIDZ podcast. And we now have listeners from over 160 countries, which is just incredible, and many different guests.
The aim with WIDZ is to increase the percentage of women in data science, to achieve at least 30% women across all domains and at all levels, from students to senior leaders, by the year 2030. And we call this 30 by 30. We believe 30% is a tipping point. That's when women truly believe that they are part of a group and they can contribute and have great impact. And we hope that you join us all in reaching this big goal.
For now, though, whether you're at Stanford or at one of the regional events worldwide or just in your living room, you are a part of the WIDZ worldwide movement.
Welcome to WIDZ!